Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and it's one of those days and we're chasing a wiring fault on the number plate light on our Morris. Pretty common, probably the most common wiring fault in the Morris world. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a step-by-step process to find out where the fault is. And to be honest, it's usually an earth, but let's rule out everything else first. So first of all, I'm going to check the bulbs, because even if it's a double bulb unit, you never know. You know, you might have both blown bulbs, but I doubt it, so I'm just going to check these with magic.
Yeah, that lit up. Yeah, that lit up.
So I'm using a small 9 volt. I think it's 9 volt, is it? What is that?
Turn it round.
It's a battery. It's one of those batteries.
It's one of those.
It's one of them fancy ones.
No,
so...
it's got to go on the other side.
I know.
No, you had it pressed on the other side a minute ago, and it worked. There you go. It lit up then. There you go.
So I know that one works. I might even know what I'm doing on occasion.
And the cat's got in the car.
Yeah, it was warmer in there, and it's -2, so I've got a bit of answer.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's not the bulbs. Next thing is, let's test the unit. Right. So using my battery and my fancy bit of wire. Where did I put my fancy bit of wire? There's my fancy bit of wire. Hold on, let's get that connected onto there.
So what you're doing is replicating the circuit.
I am, but I'm just testing it directly on the unit. So I'm creating an earth.
So you're not on the wires there?
I'm not, if I
No,
was.
let me come and wire them up. Okay, so what you've done then is replicate the circuit.
So I'm testing the unit directly on itself. So I've got the live connected to the base of the terminal on the battery there. And I've created my own little earth with a crocodile clip with this big black cable, which is my earth testing cable.
And you're creating the circuit.
And I'm going to create a circuit,
no,
hopefully, when I found that.
There you go, it lights up.
So we know it's not the light unit. Okay, so we've ruled out the unit, so I'm going to make absolutely sure that the live and earth feed to the unit is completely dead. So I've connected my test light up onto the black and red wire, and I'm going to flick the switch on, and that shouldn't come on because I know it's not the unit.
But the tail lights will. Because otherwise we'd obviously think there would be a problem with the wiring. The tail lights are on and the light is not.
Okay, so it's probably a bad earth then. So now I'm going to rule out whether it's the live or the earth cable. So I'm going to go on the earth side first. So I connected my crocodile clip to the earth. Now I'm going to earth the light with this crocodile clip.
So it's just a piece of wire with 2 crocodile clips on.
I built that.
Creating a new earth.
I builded that myself.
Shall I come and put it on the clip?
I don't do that. Right, so let's go to that go.
Yep, it comes on.
Comes on.
Yep.
So it's a bad earth.
Yep.
So I've got to do.
We're going to do the next test to see if it's the wire or the bolt.
Yep. Turn that off now. And now I'm connected directly to the end of the wire to see if there's a break in the earth wire.
So we've got one there, and then we've got one connected in there. So the tail light's on and the light has come on. Yeah.
So let's connect it all back up and see what's going on. So we've ascertained that it is a bad earth, but we've tested this cable and the actual break is there. I don't know if you can see how loose that is. So we created a new, using my crocodile clip earth cable, we connected it to there with my pointing, and it created a good earth. When I created it onto that there, it was very, very poor or not at all. So we've got to cut this off, put in a new ring connector, and then reattach it, and it should work. So we put a new connection on where there was a bad earth, so it's got a new ring terminal, we've reconnected it. Now we can try the earth connection to that earth to make sure the cable is working, and we'll flick the light on and test it.
Yep. Okay, so we will now connect it to where it should actually live.
Yep. And then clean down, put it all back together, and then test it again. So we've reconnected the new earth back onto the boot lid hinge, and then we're going to test it again before we put the cover back on. Working?
There we go.
Right, let's
We've
put the
got
cover back
a
on.
working light.
Okay, cover's back on. Now it's the last test. Test it now the cover's on.
Yay!
It's working.
It's working.
There we go. So as normal, it was a bad earth on the rear number plate light. Most common cause. So all we've got to do now is pack away and go and have a cup of tea because it's freezing. And there we go.